time na dito mga palangga. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Yung hapunan natin is chicken thighs. Tuturn ulang natin yung ating oven. Gusto ko mag-rice mga palangga. Ang plano talaga, yung original plan is have the chicken in the oven and then mabi-baked potato. Pero, naisip ko tong itry tong brown rice nila dito. First time ko tong tikman mga palangga kasi ever since na dumating talaga ako dito, yung rice na kinakain ko is yung rice na galing sa atin, yung nabibili natin sa Asian store. Kasi nung first day talaga, or before ako dumating, binilhan ako ni Mr. ng white rice. Yung basmati ata, yung rice na yun, yung mahahaba ba? Basmati rice ata, if I am right. Binabasa ko lang yung instruction how to prepare this rice. Kasi itong rice na to, iba. Sabi dito, bring a large pan of water to boil and add rice to the pan. Diba yung rice natin or the way I prepare my rice pag nagsasayang ako, diba? We put the rice in and the water and then yun na. Pero ito, kailangan daw makaboil ng water. Let's prepare the chicken muna and then put the potato in the microwave para ma-soft yung potato. So, nahugasan ko na yung chicken natin. So, kailangan na natin siya ipat-dry. So, we have 5 pieces of chicken here. So, 3 yung kay Mister. Then, 2 yung atin. Sprayhan mo lang ng kaunti. And then, roasted garlic and pepper. Napakita ko na to sa inyo kung paano ko to ginagawa. So, hindi ko na kayo i-go through sa steps. Charot, steps talaga. Para naman kung anong masyadong complicated, hindi naman complicated. Pero masarap siya. Dump yung ano natin. Ito, tingnan nyo. There's stuff in the bottom. So, maghihintay lang tayo sa potato and then ilalagay natin sila sa oven. So, dito meron tayong malaking kaldero. Sobrang laki ng kaldero ko, no? Dalawang chicken lang naman yung lulutuin natin. Para mas madaming sabaw. Para mas madaming sabaw yung malalagay natin ba? Sabaw na pang 1 week. Hindi, ay joke lang. Ewan ko lang. Bet ko lang na gamitin tong kalderong to. So, maglalagay lang ako ng kaunting oil dito. And then, maglalagay ako dito ng tubig para sa ating rice. Ilalagay na natin si Mr. Potato and yung ating chicken. Oops, hindi siya. Hindi siya kasya sa gitna mga palangga. So, swap natin sila. Yan. So, I think mainit na yung mantika natin mga palangga. So, oops, yes. Mainit na. Hintay lang natin siyang ma-brown.
A few minutes later.
Yung chicken natin, tumatalsik siya ng bonggang-bongga. Kumukulo na yung tubig natin mga palangga. So, ilalagay na natin to. Hindi ko talaga alam. Tama na yan? What do you think? Kukuha muna tayo ng sandok. Okay na ba yan? I think okay na yan. Hindi ako sure dito mga palangga. So, kung may pagkakamali ako, pasensyahan nyo na po. Tingnan nyo yung chicken natin. Brown na siya. So, lalagyan natin siya ng suka. Tansya-tansya na lang. Yan. At toyo. Kaunti na lang talaga yung supply natin. Yung Filipino supply natin. Paubos na. Ang hirap pag isang kamay lang yung ginagamit. Then, maglalagay ako ng peppercorn. Ito. And bay leaves. Then, mag-a-add ako ng kaunting water. And yan na. Simmer lang natin yan. Ingay. So, luto na yung tea ni Mr. Yung hapunan ko, hindi pa siya luto kasi naghihintay pa din ako sa rice natin mga palangga. Until now, hindi pa din siya luto. Sana ba yung knife? Wow! So, ito na yung finished product ng ating chicken. Yan. See? Sobrang sarap. Yan mga palangga. Si Mr. nanonood ng TV. Yan. Sa camera, parang puros chicken lang ba? Kasi yung ating potato, brown din. So, yun yung hapunan niya. May blow paper dyan para sa chicken niya. And yung exotic juice natin. Ihahatid natin para kay Senyorito John.
Later.
So, ready na yung tea ko mga palangga. So, ito na. Ito na yung brown rice natin.
Serious.
So, ito na yung chicken adobo natin. At meron tayong isang egg dito.
Chicken adobo. I get chicken roasted.
You don't like chicken adobo?
Have you ever given it?
Yeah.
When?
When the very first time I came here, I've been cooking a lot of chicken adobo.
Darling.
Yes.
Since then, things have changed dramatically.
What? What do you mean change?
You know, I cook now.
That's very offensive.
It's true.
So, kakain muna ako mga palangga bago lumamig yung pagkain ko. So, ito mga palangga, nagdidilig kami. Kasi sobrang dry ng soil. Oo. I think that's okay. This is so handy mga palangga kasi iiwan mo lang sila ng 5 to 10 minutes and that's it. They're done.
Half an hour at least.
No.
Yeah.
Don't waste water.
Look at the big fat strawberries.
No plum.
Can you see any?
I cannot see. Oh, here. There.
Yeah.
I can see something.
Probably had that much stick with
There. Oh,
that wind.
I can see something. Yeah, but I don't think so it will
Well, you
be
think about
successful.
the amount of blossom we had on this tree.
Mm. And now,
Oh, that's a big one, darling.
where?
Is it?
It's not, it's the leaves.
No, is it?
The next day.
Hello! Good morning! Good morning mga palangga! So, pagpasensyahan nyo na. Basa pa yung buhok ko, kaya ayun tinali ko. Kakaligo ko lang, pero tinawag ako ni Mr. na kailangan daw niya ng tulong sa workshop kasi ilalagay na namin yung bonnet sa Range Rover. There's something in my eyes. I think merong eyelashes ba? Maganda yung weather ngayon. I think sabi ni Mr. 21 yung temperature ngayon. Hello! Hi. So, ito siya mga palangga. Nandoon yung bonnet. Yan. Is it heavy?
Oh, the bonnet?
I'll put you right here, okay? Oh. You're not standing properly. Can you see me? Yeah, you can. Feeling ko, where you are right now, it looks so vulnerable na konting touch ko lang dito. Nandiyan kayo sa trailer nakapatong. Konting touch ko lang or alog sa trailer, makukulog kayo. Come on! So that's it. It's in. John is just putting some bolts.
Right, Dan, can you just stand here? Oh, we should do. I just want to make sure that this doesn't touch on that one. It shouldn't do.
Okay.
I just don't want it to do any damage.
Do it slowly.
Oh, we're doing it slowly, I don't know.
Is it gonna touch?
It's touching that plastic in a minute, that's fine.
Yeah.
Right, then hinges need lifting, this side needs lifting up.
There's a bit of gap, which is good. Is that what you want?
Yeah, well, yeah, this one wants adjusting a little bit actually. We're looking at the front. Now that needs to go back, okay? Needs to go that way.
Let me check the other side.
That's more on the other side.
Oh, it's more.
Yeah, because it needs adjusting.
Yeah, I cannot put my finger.
Yeah, needs adjusting.
So which one is right? The other side or this one?
Well, we'll send that one that way and this one this way a bit. We'll do both.
Oh.
What was that touching?
Is it a scratch? Oh, dear han. So, ina-adjust na lang ni Mr. yung bonnet. And later on, yung kaibigan niya pupunta dito just to catch up. Pero, sabi namin na hindi siya pwede sa loob ng bahay. We're not making any brew and still social distancing. Which is okay naman siya. Alam naman niya. Siya pa nga yung tumawag sa amin kung okay lang ba daw bumisita. So, sabi namin okay lang naman. Pero, we still do social distancing. So, mga palangga, wala, papasensyahan nyo na yung kilay ko. It looks so dark. I'm just gonna get ready kasi pupunta tayo sa Tesco ngayon. Mag-grocery tayo. Kailangan natin ng top-up grocery and ano pa ba? Yeah. So, I'm just gonna get ready, blow dry my hair, and put a little bit of makeup kasi tingnan nyo yan, ang laki na naman ng pimple ko. So, ito na mga palangga. I'm ready. Oh, yan. So, meron din akong ipopost dito. 3 lang. Ito lang yung nabenta. So, dadaan tayo sa post office. And, yan. Mag-grocery na tayo. 11:15 na dito. Tapos na siya. So, bago ako umalis mga palangga, isasampay ko muna sila kasi pag hindi ko sinampay ngayon, makakalimutan ko sila and then, hindi sila masasampay at hindi sila matutuyo. Maganda pa naman yung weather. Diyan muna kayo ha. So, ito na mga palangga. Nasampay ko na sila. Yan. So, I'm ready to go. Magpapaalam na tayo kay Mr. Honey, I'm going! Bye-bye! So, I'm going to Mama's way. I'm going to Mama's way.
Big road's closed, yeah.
Okay. Alright, bye-bye. Bye! So, yung temperature is 24 degrees. Wow! Minsan lang dito magka 24 degrees. So, kung mag 24 degrees dito, i-enjoy nyo na. So, nandito na tayo mga palangga. Ang taas ng pila. So, hindi na ako magbablog ha. So, babalikan ko na lang kayo mamaya. So, bye for now. Finally, mga palangga, tapos na tayo sa pagsusort ng ating grocery. Sobrang init ng camera kasi naiwan ko kayo sa sasakyan. So, ngayon, sabi ni Jan, he's finished with the bonnet.
Well, virtually all the outside is finished now. I've just windscreen, which is coming tomorrow. Don't mind that pipper. The front glass windscreen, yeah, that's coming tomorrow. And then I've just, after that, wiper blades and things to put on and just a bit of fine tuning. So let's go.
Shall we see?
Yeah.
Have a rest, sweetheart.
Right, let's go to the front, should we? What does one think now?
It looks so good.
Yeah?
Come on, you need to point out what you have done. Earlier, mga palangga, as you, yeah.
I've just put on this, what is it? Bumper.
Yeah.
With all the supporting brackets underneath, and that's for the number plate to go on. Yeah. So
You have a mirror now.
all mirrors, yeah, they're original ones. Well, original for Range Rover.
Yeah.
They came from Australia.
Australia.
Yeah, they come from United Arab Emirates
Okay.
because it's the only place you could find them.
Right.
Yeah, these lights and the back lights. So
Very nice.
let the shop everywhere.
Amazing. But where is the glass for the front? Tomorrow? Right, okay.
Let me put the rubber in now.
When is the seats will be completed? You don't know.
Next few weeks.
Next few weeks.
Yeah,
And that's it.
Gives me a chance to get it running properly and that and everything, you know. So,
Wow.
But virtually outside now is finished. It's, you know, well on its way now.
You done a good job.
Looking smart, isn't it? Yeah. Like a brand new car.
It is a brand new.
It will be once you get once all the interior goes in, because that is everything in is new. You know, the seat frames and that are the original, which is all re-powder coated, shot blasted, and then powder coating. It's sprayed on as in a powder, but it has a it's like it goes through electric charge, right? So the particles,
Will stick.
you've got positive and negative or whatever it is, and it sticks to it, and then it goes through this thing till like an oven, and it heats it up,
Deactivate, yeah.
and it goes into like a plastic coating. That's what powder coating is plastic.
Okay.
Yeah. So basically now you see all the nice badges. I've got them to pay there. I've got some catches for that to go in. And that's it. Nothing really changed in the back. Put that little sticker on there to say a lock.
Oh yeah.
That's its original one. So just a rear wiper to go on when we get it. And that's it basically. We're looking pretty good. Aren't we? Yeah.
Pretty.
Hard work's done now. I can honestly say that. The hard work is done. All I've got to do now is to get it running properly and put the interior in. And the interior is just case, so.
So that's it.
Yeah.
And is that your update, sir?
That is my update for today. The next update will be when the interior is, when it's complete now. No more now, that is it. So
Okay. Alright. Yeah. Okay, bye!
So don't be asking questions. You're not having any more until it's finished.